There's popping fireworks, and yet she's calm. I mean, sort of calm, pretty calm. So that pill must have worked, that dog pill supplement, chewy supplement. Because there's been a loud popping, and she's just laying here really, really calm and everything. And I'm just trying to drown out the sounds of music in the background. People are constantly popping fireworks. And this actually started with some neighbors the last part of May. And it's crazy. I don't know what the deal is. And all over the place, people have been doing fireworks. I think that people don't have anything better to do. And fireworks, they're a cheaper way to get some so-called entertainment. I don't get it, but anyway.